Boom, hey internets. I just wanted to show you all the places I stayed in. BGC Bonifacio Global City. I stayed in 3 different places, all with a view. I need to have a view because I'm usually right there working, so I need to feel connected to the outside. The first place I stayed at in BGC was on the 20-somethings floor. It was the one tower in Uptown. Really good amenities. The view was insane. The second place I stayed at was on the other side of Bonifacio High Street. I'm on the couch here and I'm watching TV. Here, the rest of the condo is out this way. To the right, I got this whole view of the city that is also like a movie. And just for better reference, here's the bedroom during the daytime, also with the view, and then that living room where you saw in the last shot. I'm telling you, this view during the day and night was just the most calming thing every single day I was coming home. And that leads me here to this condo where I stayed. It's a little bit smaller. This had everything I needed, but I think the noteworthy thing is a 5-minute walk away was the Venice Canal Mall, which is something like Venetian in Vegas. As I sign out, check out the view on this one. Go travel more. Also, while these views are beautiful, there's poverty and grittiness in the city, but this gives you perspective.